Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you exactly how to get voice chat on Roblox. Roblox voice chat lets you talk to other players using your microphone while playing supported Roblox games. The setup only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First of all, open a browser like Chrome. From here, click the search bar and search for Roblox. Then click enter, then log into your account from your browser. Then here you'll see the dashboard. From the right side of the screen, select the settings gear icon. Then again click settings. Now from settings, select account info. Then scroll down and here you'll see check your age to get more features. Just click continue with camera or continue with ID. Uh, you also you also see the button called verify your age. Just click on it and verify your age like 13 plus. Then here you'll see uh, a pop-up will open. You need a government ID. You will use it to verify your birthday. Uh, Make sure your birthday is original. Birthday verification unlocks more features on Roblox. And then click the click continue from here and follow the instruction from the Roblox, and that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.